Okay, this is Russia Continued. My phone went in lock mode, and I guess that just stops the video recording. And hopefully everybody's okay with this. I did most of my roles. There's still the wartime income roles, and there is the recruitment role for CCP. So, uh, based on what I have left to do here and everything, maybe you'll know that I won't keep recording this over and over. So, first of all, we're going to move this AA gun to Eastern Manchuria from Primorsky. Whoops, what am I taking him off for? And I'm going to take the arrow off. Okay, we're going to move this one militia from Amur to Chita. We're going to move this militia from Chita to Bereisha. We're going to move the one militia from Bereisha to Angara. We're going to move the one militia from Angara to Novosibirsk. We're going to move the three militia from Novosibirsk to northern Kazakhstan. Okay, over here, we're going to move the one militia from Zerayania to Yarl Lhasa, however you say that. All right, now we're going to let's see. Well, we're going to go ahead and move one. I'm going to go ahead and add this militia to. No, they just took that. They can't take that. Okay. All right, so we're going to move this Yaroslav militia to Moscow. We're going to move this Gorky militia to Moscow. We're going to move this Ural militia to Gorky. We are going to move these three militia from Sartov to Moscow. We are going to move these two militia from Don Manish. This militia and this infantry from Don Manish to Moscow. He fell down, but he's still alive. Okay, now Orenburg militia to Sartov. Then we're going to move the militia and the infantry from Stalingrad to Don Manich. And okay, drop that. But let's see here. What's this? Kind of down. Okay, bring both hands up. We're going to move militia from western Kazakhstan to Stalingrad. We're going to move this militia from Kalmystia to Stalingrad. We are going to move three militia from northern Caucasus to, I think actually we're going to go ahead and move them to Donetsk, Kuban. So we'll go ahead and take that off. And we're going to move the one militia from that same location to Turida. And then we're going to move our five militia from Transcaucasia to North Caucasus. Let's see, and that's all my arrows, so that looks like that's all my non-combat moves I was doing. So now it looks like we'll be placing units. And, I got to do the recruitment roll and wartime income roll. So the recruitment roll is a 4 or less for the CCP. Okay, we got a 3. We've been historically atrocious on those, but we finally got one. Let's see. Work with me for once, phone. Okay. So we're going to place got 2 militia down in the territory that we just emptied. The tank emptied out on. We're going to put the 2 militia in Suyan. All right, so we've got no attacking units anymore, but we're going to go back. I meant to put an AA gun, just one, in Suyan. Sorry, part of the non-combat move, guys. Okay, so here is. I'll put them back if you want to be technical. I'm cool with putting him back. Let's see. Did this militia come from? Well, got everything on the money, so he's probably not here. Okay. So we are going to place 3. Well, maybe 1, 8. Oh. And I forgot to. I said I only rolled for 2 techs because we were moving our Uralkursk factory from Uralkursk to Novosibirsk. Okay. Yeah, I probably should put a yellow arrow on that, but I just missed that one. Okay, so Moscow we're putting 3. Well, maybe 3 tank destroyers and 2 AA guns. Then we'll also put 4 militia there. All right, and we have 3 militia that we can still swap out. So we have, not swap out, just place on the board. So we're going to place, let's see, so he's here, and we're going to place 2 in Uralkursk. And we're going to place 1 in Eastern Ukraine. Now let's see, we upgraded a militia to an infantry, and I think that was that's in Moscow. Because those militia weren't going to hold Moscow, so hopefully this isn't the greatest defense, but hopefully, a little bit for the planes, a little bit for the tanks. All right, so we still have 2 advanced mechanized, and based on what we have here, we're going to place those guys in Transcaucasia. And then we're going to finish our fortification on the border of Kars in Turkey. That's where the fortification is. Okay, and then we have one last thing to upgrade our factory, our medium factory in Novosibirsk. So we'll have 2 major factories. I missed a couple of non-combat moves. Meant to move my planes, but I'm going to end the transport plane and stuff. But I'm not going to worry about it this turn. I'll do it next because you got to do these things in order, and I just forgot that one. It's like, dang it. Okay, but it's a lot of stuff to remember in a turn. So here we go. I got, I think that's everything. So the last thing I need to do is wartime economy. So the wartime economy is 6. Okay. It's better having 6 than than ending up with 0 on the next turn, I'll tell you. So, with that, $6 we collect, wartime economy, plus the total income from Russia being 43, we collect 49 this turn. So, we collect 49 this turn. Let's see, 25, 35, 4 chips, it'd be 49. Okay. So, that I do believe completes everything. We collected our income, and we've done everything else we've needed to do for the turn. So, it's Japan's turn next. Rent Carcass. Once again, thank you guys for giving me this newbie a shot. I really appreciate it. So I'll do my best to, still give you a competition, even though it'll be a tough one, but I'll do all I can. So, all right guys, hope you enjoy, and look for a Rent Carcass video on the next round, and if you haven't seen, go ahead and look at Germany's round prior to this. And you guys have a good night.